In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change your username on the Whop app step by step in just a few moments. If you've been using Whop and want to update your display name or profile name, this tutorial will walk you through the exact process so you can make the change quickly and confidently. Whether you're rebranding, fixing a typo, or simply want your profile to look more professional, this is the easiest way to do it. And if this video helps, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more simple tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open your browser and go to whop.com, then sign into your account. Once you're logged in, make sure you're on the home feed. This is important because the profile and settings icons are easiest to find from here. Now look at the top right corner of the screen and click on your profile icon. This will open up your account options. Next, you'll see a gear icon right beside your username. Go ahead and click that gear icon. This is what takes you directly into your account settings. Once the page loads, you should land right inside the Edit Profile section, which is exactly where you need to be to change your name. Now look for the name field. Click inside that box, delete your old name, and type in your new display name. Take a moment to make sure it's spelled correctly and looks the way you want it to appear on your Whop profile. This is the name other people will see, so it's worth double-checking before saving. After you've entered the new name, scroll down to the bottom of the page and click Save Changes. Once you do that, your updated display name should be applied to your account. That's it. Your Whop name is now changed. If you are following along, you should now know exactly how to update your display name on Whop without any confusion. It's a simple process once you know where to click. And now you can do it anytime you need to refresh your profile. If this tutorial saved you time, please give the video a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next quick guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.